Welcome to the world of Retable, the revolutionary cloud-based data management platform designed to simplify your workflow and supercharge your productivity. Whether you're a business professional or an individual user, Retable offers a powerful and intuitive solution for organizing, storing, and accessing your data in a customizable and collaborative way. Retable empowers users to create their own databases and business applications by managing data through spreadsheets and projects within those workspaces. Team Plan users can create workspaces under their organizations, fostering seamless collaboration. You can easily share workspaces with your teams and initiate collaborative efforts on projects. When creating a workspace, users have the option to start a project from scratch, import existing XLS or CSV files, or utilize Retable's extensive template archive. The platform provides a range of column types for diverse data needs, including geolocation for mapping, select options for streamlined data entry, calendar for data organization, and more. Retable enables users to customize columns extensively, including changing colors, adding options, and toggling between single and multi-select functionalities. With various column types such as formula, roll-up, rating, collaborator, and attachment, you can create solutions for your specific data requirements. Retable offers a variety of views, including grid, list, card, map, calendar, chart, Kanban, and form views. These views allow for dynamic visualization and reporting of your data. The platform also boasts extensive formatting options, including cell formatting, conditional formatting, and column styling, providing meaningful insights at a glance. Retable facilitates effective collaboration through project chat, sorting features, filtered views, and row history. Users can easily take snapshots for data backups and restore tables as needed. Deleted tables can be recovered from the project trash bin, ensuring data integrity. Retable's online form feature seamlessly converts spreadsheets into interactive forms. Users can customize forms, set questions as required or optional, and embed them on any website. Form responses are automatically reflected in Retable, providing a centralized data hub. Retable allows users to share views by activating public view options. Depending on preferences, links can be set as editable or view only, and users can copy tables to their Retable dashboards without altering the original data. Retable is a versatile and user-friendly platform that transforms data management, offering a range of features to streamline processes, enhance collaboration, and drive productivity. Experience the power of Retable for yourself and revolutionize the way you work with data. Retable, your gateway to smarter data management and collaborative success.